Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to build these modern, wood floating shelves using simple tools and a beginner-friendly method. This project is affordable, quick, and instantly upgrades any room. So let's get started. Wood floating shelves are wall-mounted shelves made of wood that appear to float without any visible brackets or support hardware. Unlike traditional shelves that use metal brackets or supports underneath, floating shelves are designed with hidden internal supports that give them a clean, modern, and minimalist appearance. Characteristics of wood floating shelves. Have a checkmark minimalist modern look. Because no brackets are visible, the design looks clean, sleek, and uncluttered, perfect for modern and contemporary interiors. Have a checkmark strong functional. When installed properly into wall studs, floating shelves can hold a surprising amount of weight. Books, plants, decor items, and kitchen items. Have a checkmark flexible design. You can build them in various thicknesses, 1 to 3 or more, woods, pine, oak, walnut, birch, finishes, natural, stained, painted. Have a checkmark space saving. They maximize wall space without taking up floor area, making them ideal for small bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, entryways, bathrooms.
Woodcraft history dates back to 1980, when home and interior was just a traditional decor, and with the time and passion for art, beauty, and culture, it revolutionized the traditional culture of furnishing to contemporary and luxury style and trends. Inspired by the cultural and international trends and diversity in living style and fashion, Woodcraft adopted this change timely and crafted every plank of wood in a unique piece of art and style. Today, Woodcraft is the name for home decor where beauty meets passion. We believe in carving crafts that suits every environment and gives your home a versatile and modern look with affordability. Wood furniture means any product made of wood. A wood product such as rattan or wicker, or an engineered wood. Woodworking is the skill of making items from wood, and includes cabinetry, furniture making, wood carving, joinery, carpentry, and wood turning. Wood furniture is extremely resilient and requires very little maintenance. Wood is a long-lasting natural material that can stand constant abuse, whether it spills in the kitchen or scratches in the dining room. Solid wood furniture can last for generations with minimum care. Wood furniture has its advantages and disadvantages. Timeless beauty. Wooden furniture has a timeless appeal that will never go out of style. Whatever may be the type of wood, each carries a special beauty in its own way. Its natural grains and warm tones provide a beautiful touch to any place. At Bosky Furniture, we handpick premium wood to ensure each piece of furniture exudes elegance and adds a touch of sophistication to your home interior. Long-lasting, durable. This is the biggest benefit of owning wooden furniture. A furniture piece made of quality wood is highly durable. Teakwood furniture in Kolkata is the most popular choice among homeowners in terms of durability. It can withstand everyday usage and wear if it is built with premium quality and excellent materials. Bosky Furniture's commitment to using superior wood guarantees that your investment lasts for decades, becoming a treasured heritage. Sustainable wood stands out as an exceptional sustainable choice, especially when sourced carefully. It is a renewable natural resource that is good for the environment. Do you know that trees, the source of wood, biodegrade naturally? Moreover, they serve an important role in absorbing damaging carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Any furniture made of wood has a lower environmental impact than other materials. That's why trees are called the best gifts of nature to humans. Wide range of options, from beds to dining tables, chairs, and cabinets. Hardwood furniture provides a wide range of options for furnishing every room in your home. You can easily find various designs and colors and even customize the furniture as per your choice. So, if you have decided to buy furniture for your home, simply explore the vast online catalog of Bosky Furniture to find the perfect piece for your home decor. Easy to maintain. I have seen my relatives getting sick of maintaining those metal and particle board furniture. Even after maintaining them regularly, the slightest